If you're setting up a Toyota Prado for touring or camping, a good fridge is a must. Today I'm installing the Dune4wd Frontier 50L fridge freezer and showing you exactly how to set it up step by step. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we do Prado mods, camping setups, and 4wd installs. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helps you out. To finish the installation, I picked up the Dune4wd Frontier 240-volt portable AC adapter so I can run the fridge on mains power, and a set of Dune4wd black tie-down straps to keep the fridge secure in the cargo area. Inside the box, you get the fridge unit itself, a 12-volt power lead, and the instruction manual. This is a single-zone fridge, which means it can be used as either a fridge or a freezer. At 50 liters, it's a good size for the LC250 without taking up the entire cargo area. Make note of the vents on the side. These need airflow, so you don't want them blocked when installing. I'm installing the fridge in the rear cargo space of the LC250. This area has plenty of room for a 50L fridge while still leaving space for other gear. The fridge has handles on both sides, which makes it easier to lift out. If you're doing this by yourself, just take your time. Next is the power connection. I'm running the supplied 12-volt cable from the fridge toward the rear passenger seat area. The Land Cruiser 250 has a factory 12-volt power socket near the rear passenger seat, which makes this setup really easy. I'll plug the fridge straight into this socket. This setup doesn't require any permanent wiring or modifications to the vehicle. Now I'll turn the vehicle on. You can see the display light up, which tells us the fridge is getting power. From here, you can set the temperature depending on whether you want to run it as a fridge or a freezer. That's the Dune4wd Frontier 50L single-zone fridge freezer fully installed in the Toyota Land Cruiser 250, running straight off the factory 12-volt socket. It's a simple, clean setup that's perfect for camping, touring, or everyday use. When you're at home or at a powered campsite, you can also run the Dune4wd Frontier fridge using the 240-volt portable AC adapter. Just plug the adapter into a standard power point, connect it to the fridge's DC input, and the fridge will run off mains power instead of your vehicle. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.